Card payment is something that you can get as an option in B2B, B2C, and in the D2C commerce. These steps to configure that can be not clear sometimes. In here, I will show you how to configure that. So let's see quickly how to get card payments using authorize.net in your storefront. But first of all, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share this knowledge. You know that it will help me to continue delivering that across our community. The payment integration architecture have this publicly available documentation that I will let the links in the description. And through these diagrams, you can understand better how the gears are spinning behind the scenes. We will establish a synchronous integration using the Apex code you can check here in the Salesforce examples, and finishing that with the task described to be done out of the box in this guidance. For sure, a B2B, B2C Lightning or a D2C Commerce administrator is someone that needs to know the declarative things, but also needs to know which are the metadata used behind the scenes to configure that. Due to that, these out-of-the-box activities are done through the Workbench, and I will also let the Workbench link in the description. But despite we have the manual steps in the links, as soon as we have the repository available, all of those configurations will be done by the scripts. You that are following the channel already know me. I love to do things through scripts just to avoid mistakes. I mean, you will have the possibility to do that manually out of the box, following the steps described in the documentation, or use the scripts to achieve that. It is 100% up to you. Since we are using the authorize.net here, you will need to create your account. There are many useful informations in this page, but we need to click on this developer menu. And here, of course, more information that can lead you to achieve that. We need to click on this button to get to the developer center, where you can sign in sandbox or production environment. We go to the sandbox, put in my credentials, and in the environment we will need to get the API login in the transaction key that will be used to connect and do the magic. Inside this environment, you will be able to follow the transactions that are happening in your store, and we will show you that better when we have all the things running together. For now, you have here in your store configuration, at the administration tile, you can see all the configurations already done by our scripts, with buyer access, inventory, tax, shipping, price, and now the card payment gateway. That is the record you have to join the provider, configured with the Apex class acting in the adapter part, and you can see the code that are behind that. You also can see the named credential already configured and deployed through the scripts, just needing to be adjusted with your informations, really being the credentials and the endpoints. You also will have a permission set that works through session activation to allow the user during the running phase read the security credentials just for a couple seconds. But you know, security is something very serious and dangerous if you take it for granted. And to store the credentials, you also will have payment gateway settings custom object with the encrypted information. And all these things will be available in the repository as soon as possible. So please stay tuned to not lose anything. By the way, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, share this knowledge, and comment what you have liked or not in this video. I read all the comments. And as usual, love you all, see you later, and bye bye.